Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to see a complete work routine of me. And you all know that I'm a working mom and I have two kids. I work in the morning shift and my husband works in the evening shift. Due to the pandemic situation, we both are working from home. In this video, I'm going to share how I productively manage my work. At the same time, how we take care of the kids and the home. Working from home is not an easy thing. And if you have kids, it is not that easy. If you have a baby or toddler, it is going to be more tougher. But with some pre-planning and pre-preparations, we can achieve 100% productivity towards the work. In this video, we are going to see how I manage my work, my home, my kids. To have a productive day, you should have a pre-planning or pre-preparations in the previous day. I will show what are the pre-preparations I do the previous day. Before I log off for the day, I used to capture all the to-do list to be done for the next day. This will keep me organized and I will not miss anything. The previous day night itself, I used to keep the dress which I need to wear for the next day, including my sportswear, my socks, etc. Also will keep 2 to 3 sets of my baby dress, including her diapers and including her wipes. I keep everything handy and keep it in one of the drawers in the living room itself. Also I keep some towels for the baby for easy access. My first daughter also will choose her dress and hang it over her wardrobe. Next one is very important. I used to measure and keep the food items which needs to be soaked and used for cooking for the next day. This includes foodstuffs like dal and rice. 7 to 8 hours of sleep overnight is must for a productive morning so that we can finish off most of the household chores in the morning itself. So first thing in the morning, I will soak all the ingredients which I have kept for soaking. I don't want to measure. It is all measured and kept in the previous night itself. Then I will have apple cider vinegar with warm water. You all know that I'm a coffee lover, but I'm not going to have my coffee first thing in the morning. I cannot skip my morning coffee, but I will have it little late, not first thing in the morning. After I stopped feeding my baby, I started having this warm water and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar have a lot of health benefits. Apple cider vinegar will boost your metabolism, boost your energy level, also helps in healthy weight loss. Then I will start my food preparation for the day. As I have a weekly meal plan and pre-preparations of some vegetables, I am able to finish off my breakfast and lunch cooking in 30 minutes of time. If you have missed to watch my meal planning and meal preparation video, do check it out. I will provide the link of the video below in the description box. Meal planning and meal preparation helped me a lot in saving my time in the kitchen. When I was not having any meal plan, every morning will be a nightmare. I used to think what I have in the refrigerator, what I need to cook today. Have you ever experienced like that? Then it's time to start a meal plan. This is one of the Tuesdays and you would have watched in my previous video. I shot this film on the same day. So as per the plan, I have cooked and finished off my cooking before 6 a.m. in the morning. Then comes my favorite time of the day. My me time, my coffee time. I'm going to sip on my coffee sitting in my balcony. This is how my balcony looks and it's so wonderful. This me time is must for me to have a productive day. And after having coffee, I will be keeping some milk for my baby. So when she is hungry, she will take on her own and have it. Practice as per your comfort to make things easy. Then I will have 5 to 6 badams as a pre-workout snack. 6:15 to 6:45 is my workout time. At least 4 to 5 days a week, I will have this 30 minutes of workout. Today I went on for a walk and sometime I indulge in some yoga. I personally feel this 30 minutes of workout, either it can be walking, gym or yoga, will make you active throughout the day. If you have not started any workout, start today to be more productive throughout the day. After the workout, I'll refresh myself, I'll have a good bath, and I will log in for the day. First thing, I will update the to do list which I have prepared the previous day. By this time, my first daughter will wake up and she will get ready for her online classes. Mornings, I will use the guest bedroom for my work. Practically, working mom cannot sit in a single dedicated place of a work. We should be flexible enough to sit and work at different places of the home. Then I will take a short break for breakfast. Me and my first daughter will have together. As per the meal plan, it's dosa and garlic chutney. After the breakfast, I will get my first daughter's hair done for her online classes. Mostly she will get ready on her own. After the breakfast, my kitchen will look like this. It is not crystal clean, but I'm not going to worry about it because cleaning is not a priority right now. Yes, I do have soiled utensils in the sink. Cleaning the utensils is not priority right now, so I'm going to do it after I log off for the day. And by this time, I will keep everything ready. The orange for making orange juice, including the mixer jar. Sambar is ready and the yams are marinated. The rice is getting soaked. Only left out is making rice. I will be making rice in my 11 o'clock break. Green moong dal for snacks is also getting soaked. So again by 8:30 I will log in. I will work until 9 o'clock or until the baby wakes up. She will wake up around 9 to 9:15. If the baby is awake, here starts my real day. I will take a 20 minutes of break to make her brush ready for the day. Recently, I am practicing her to brush on her own, and this is how she does. So she will brush all her teddy bears. We should make our kids learn to be independent. That will impact in many of their behaviors. Yes, the bears are getting dirt, but I'm absolutely okay because she's learning something on her own. I will keep toys everywhere, including all the cupboards in the living room, to make her engage on her own. Then comes her breakfast time, and today she's having a boiled egg. She loves to have a boiled egg. Before I log in, I'll just check whether my first daughter is comfortable with her online classes. I will help her if she finds any difficulty in logging in. So one is busy on her online classes, the other is busy on her breakfast. So I will log in to my work till 10 a.m. By around 10 a.m. I will take a 15 minutes of break. I'll put my little one in her bathtub. She loves to take bath and she's playing with her bath toys. I will just quickly dress up her. She wants to be more independent. She wants to do everything on her own. She's fresh now and she will play around the home without disturbing me. Before I log in again, once again I will check whether my first daughter is fine with her online classes. So one is playing around and the other one is in the online classes. Both of them don't need any help from me right now. So I'm logging in for another 1 hour. 11:15 to 11:30 I will take another 15 minutes of break. I have to be really fast and productive in this 15 minutes of break. I'm going to use all my stove burners. In one I will be making my green tea and in the other I will boil the rice. In one burner I will fry the yams which I have marinated in the morning. And in the meanwhile I will make the baby food. Today it's a dal carrot rice for her. As I have soaked the rice and dal in the morning, it was easy for me to cook the baby food very easily. So it is very easy for me to make the baby food in just 5 to 10 minutes. And I mostly prefer making it in the morning break itself. So during the lunch I will just heat it up in the microwave and feed the baby. Along with the sambar, I have prepared the yam fry also. On the other side, rice is also getting ready. So the lunch is ready by now. And now I'm going to make some orange juices, and my first daughter also asked for orange juice today. Almost every day I will give them some citrus juice. I will give them either orange, mosambi or lime. I partition the orange vertically to peel off the skin easily. I use all the hacks to make things simple and easy. Into the oranges I will be adding a cup of water, and along with that I will be adding a spoon of brown sugar. Going to blend it in my 750 Vario Ultra mixer grinder, and they do have a slow juicing option. This is one of the best options in the mixer grinder. You will get the juice without grinding the seeds. After grinding, I'll just extract the juice by filtering it. Juice for the baby is ready, juice for my first daughter is ready, and my green tea is also ready. Now it's time to put her on her crib. She prefers having juice lying on her crib. She will not sleep by this time. She herself getting ready to have the juice. She will take 15 minutes to finish off the juice. The baby is not going to be alone. Her dad will be next to her. As my husband does a night shift, he will wake up late in the morning. He don't want to keep alarm. After finishing the juice, the baby will wake up him. After he wakes up by around 12 o'clock, they both are going to play, and now it's my husband's responsibility to take care of the kids. Now I will be grabbing my green tea and start my work. For another 1 hour, I'm going to work. Both of my kids are on their own stuff. One is on her online class and another one is with her dad. And by 12:30, my husband will make the baby ready for having her lunch. Now I will be taking my lunch break. 30 minutes of lunchtime is only for the baby. I will be feeding her. We have to be really patient while feeding the baby. She will take 30 minutes to finish off her lunch. So at least before 1 p.m. she will finish. After feeding her, I will be boiling the green gram which I have soaked for snack. By this time my first daughter will finish off her online classes. She will be very hungry. I will be giving her the lunch. Today is her most favorite lunch. She's going to have the lunch happily. Along with the sambar and yam fry, I will give appalam for her. So weekend itself, I will fill this appalam box with appalams so that I can save time in frying appalam in the weekdays. Oh, she's really happy. While having her lunch, on the other side, my husband is helping her with her science project. After finishing her lunch, she will join with him for doing the project. And I will also finish my lunch the same, but along with that, I will be having curd with ground flaxseed powder. They are highly rich in omega-3. They are loaded with a lot of nutrients. I will be adding coriander leaves for extra freshness. I will finish off my lunch before 1:30 and I will log in. My husband is taking care of both the kids, so happily I will work on the other side. This is what they did today. They did some switching project to run a light and a fan, and the little one also wants to help them. After finishing the lunch, my first daughter accompanied her dad in exploring and understanding the project. By around 2 p.m., my little one will be sleepy. My first daughter is helping her to get down to the crib. Recently, I started making my little one to sleep on her own. I followed some tricks like keeping the room really dark, keeping the room a little cold, and playing one of her favorite numbers in Alexa. At times I will pat her or just lie next to her to make her sleep. She used to sleep by 2:30, and this is the prime time for us to work. I will finish off all the important work which need more concentration. By around 4 o'clock, my little one will wake up. I will take a 30 minutes of break now. I feel this 30 minutes of time is much important for my family to have a family time. We prefer having a coffee together. At the same time, my kids will be having milk. I will take her from crib and put her in the sofa. My husband will be taking care of her. Now comes the evening snack. Mostly I prefer giving a healthy snack to the family. It is always better to have some snacks handy if you have kids at home. The snack is already ready during the lunchtime itself. And by this time I will boil some milk for coffee and milk for kids. Just from the pressure cooker I'll take out the green grams and filter off the water. This is one of the most favorite snack for my kids. For my daughters, along with the milk, I will be adding a little bit of Milo. My kids love it and it's from the brand Nestle. A strong coffee for my husband, the lighter version for me, and milk all are ready now. Actually, it is not advisable to give Milo to kids less than 2 years, but I will add a little bit to add some chocolate flavor. Baby is eagerly waiting for the milk. After giving coffee, milk and snacks to my kids and my husband, I will sip on my coffee. I prefer parallelly working. So for 15 minutes I will work in the living room itself, sitting on my dining table. By around 4:45, I will be moving into the office room while my husband gets ready for his jogging. He started jogging of 5 kilometers daily. He will be back home after 30 minutes, and before that he makes sure the baby is having her snacks. When I was working now, I will give some TV time for my baby while she is having her snacks. At times my elder daughter will play with her little sister. As my kids are engaged with their own stuff, so for next half an hour I am going to work without any disturbances. Sometimes my little one needs some snuggling, and being a mom we cannot resist that. It's very important to make sure the baby does not feel isolated. Some hugs now and then will make the baby think that our parents are there with us all the time. After playing with her for 5 to 10 minutes, she will start playing on her own. And for the next 1 hour, she is not going to disturb me. Her tummy is full and she is very comfortable now. She will play on her own. With some little bit of tricks and little bit of changes to our lifestyle, yes, of course, we can achieve 100% productivity towards our work as well as the home. The video ends here. Hope you liked the video. Hit on the like button, do comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's meet on another wonderful video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.